Phrasal verbs are a very important part of English. They combine a verb with a small word called a particle. This particle can be a preposition or an adverb. Together, they create a completely new meaning that is different from the original verb. For example, look by itself means to use your eyes, but look up means to search for information in a dictionary. Phrasal verbs have a different meaning from the original verb. They are not literal. When you take a verb and add a particle, the meaning changes completely. The words together create something new that native speakers use every day in conversation. Look means to use your eyes to see something. I look at the book with my eyes, but look up means something completely different. It means to search for information. I look up the word in the dictionary when I don't understand it. Same words, totally different meanings. Turn on means to start a machine or light. You turn on the light when you enter a dark room. Pick up means to lift something from a surface. You pick up the phone when it rings. These are very common phrasal verbs you hear every day. Give up means to stop trying to do something. Many people give up smoking to improve their health. Look after means to take care of someone or something. Parents look after their children every day. These help you sound more natural in English. Break down means a machine stops working. My car broke down on the highway and I needed help. Come up with means to create a new idea. She came up with a great idea for the project. Run out of means to use all of something. We ran out of milk yesterday morning. Put on means to wear clothes. You put on your jacket when it's cold outside. Put off means to delay or postpone something. They put off the meeting until next week. Same verb, different particle, completely different meanings. Look up means to search for information in a dictionary or computer. Look after means to take care of someone or something. Look forward to means to wait happily for something good. The particle completely changes what the verb means. Remember that verb plus particle equals a new meaning. Always learn phrasal verbs with context and example sentences. Practice them in real conversations to sound like a native speaker. Start using these common ones every day.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.